Did you know the average Amazon user spends over $1,300 a year using Amazon Prime? You can take advantage of that, but only with Amazon FBA. So let's go ahead and walk through what Amazon FBA is, and I'm not going to hold anything back. I'm going to be very straightforward with everything and show you exactly how to be successful with an Amazon FBA business. My name's Arturo Knight. This is one of my first YouTube videos, so please comment, subscribe, and support me. I'm also on TikTok. Just look for Arturo Knight on there. Everything's in my description. Let's move forward with what is Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA is fulfilled by Amazon. Basically, they're shipping the products out for you. They're getting them to your customers. They're also getting the tracking information taken care of, returns, and everything. The great thing about this is all you have to focus on as an entrepreneur is finding new products, new trending products, getting the products from your supplier, and then getting them to Amazon FBA to start selling. Now, you might be wondering, what do I need to get started? Well, first off, you need an Amazon account. You're going to need also a business. So I recommend probably starting with an LLC, or if not, a sole proprietor tax number. You're going to also need an ID to get started and a bank account. It is highly recommended to get a business bank account or a separate bank account to separate your funds that are coming from Amazon to start processing and building your empire. Now that you have everything gone, you have the Amazon account set up, everything's ready to go. First thing you need to do, decide what product you're going to sell. Now, one of the best softwares to use on the market is Jungle Scout. What you could use this software for is to basically see how much money a product is making on Amazon. It gives you access to see how many sales are happening weekly, how many sales are happening daily and monthly. So if it's working for this guy, it can work for you. Now keep in mind, there are different ways to sell products through FBA. You can sell them from China, or you can sell them from the United States. We're going to go ahead and teach you both. One of the most used sources and suppliers for FBA products is Alibaba.com. Keep in mind, there's suppliers in here from both China and the United States, although a lot of the products on here are not that great quality. So make sure you're speaking with your supplier first and confirming with your samples that the quality is good enough for Amazon FBA. So if you're looking for a regular product, for instance, a dog toy, all you would do is come into Alibaba.com and just look through the suppliers, find the product that you want, make sure to see their feedback, see their response rate, see if they're verified. See how many transactions that they have going on right here. That shows you if they're legit or not. And then cross-reference with Amazon and other softwares to make sure that you're finding a winning product from China. Then just speak with the supplier and get the product sent out to you. If you're looking for an American supplier, one way you can do that is by simply just going to Google and typing in wholesale product. Or now if you're trying to get wholesale dog toys, let's do wholesale dog toys. And you can see, look, wholesale pet edge. There, all you have to use is Google. For instance, when earlier this year I decided to start selling bidet toilet seats. So I typed in wholesale bidet toilets. And once I did this, I kept searching. I went through all of them. And after going through them, I found this supplier right here, Many Bidets. And all I did was look at their products. I made sure everything was fine. I compared with Amazon, look at their prices, and I went to the bottom of their website. I clicked here on Become a Dealer. I spoke with them and was able to make a dropship deal to where I also got wholesale pricing, but they were also able to ship out the products for me. So I didn't even have to do FBA. But if I wanted, I could order these toilets in bulk at a wholesale price, send them to Amazon, and collect all the profit from them. This is a US supplier. Another supplier that I use is EE Distribution. All you do is go to their website, sign up as a wholesaler, tell them what you're doing, and then become a member. They sell products all the way from Hasbro to Funko, DC, and Loungefly. Some of the biggest toys are on this market right here, and you get them for a wholesale cost. If you want to do FBA with America, this is a great example of a product. So I went to a local store and I found this Aussie thing here at Hot Topic. If you go to Amazon, this thing is way more expensive on there than it was that I got it in person. So all I'm going to do in this sense with FBA, I'm going to go to the Amazon account. I'm going to find the listing that I want to sell. I'm going to click sell and then change it to an FBA listing. They're going to give me a barcode to print out, and I'm going to print out my label using a barcode printer on this product. Then I'm going to mail this to Amazon, or if I have 10 of these, I'll mail all 10 of them to Amazon. Whenever an order comes in, they ship it out for me. I get paid every 2 weeks through my Amazon account. Now, the second way you might be wondering is, what is the China way of FBA? Well, it's not really, you're not drop shipping, of course, but getting products made from China, shipped to you, and then shipping those products to Amazon FBA. Now, the greatest way to do this is through branded products. You have no competition, and the rankings can get very easy for you when you're in full control of your product. I'll show you an example of one of my products that I currently sell on Amazon through FBA. And here's a perfect example. One day I went to Zoomies and I saw a line bracelet for $60. I bought it. So I said I could probably make this myself. So I went on to Alibaba. I found an 18-karat jeweler who was making the same products they were. So I said, I want the same thing, but I'm going to change it up. I want to add two. One has a lion, one has a lioness for men and women, but put them in a package. So that made my product better than theirs. Secondly, I asked for a custom package. This is a leather golden patch, as you can see Knight here. So all this cost me was around $4.50 per piece because I bought them bulk from my Chinese supplier. I got the product shipped out to me and they arrived at my doorstep. When I received all the products, I put the package inside, tied it up, got a plastic poly bag, which you're going to need through Amazon for Amazon FBA. And you can see this is where a barcode will go. It's called an FNSKU. You'll get that set up on your Amazon listing if you're doing your own product. All I did was basically put it inside the bag. And again, if your product bag or your product is more than 5 inches, you're going to need also a label that has a choking hazard to make sure that it shows that this thing can be choked on. It's a small bag. Amazon has all the rules on their website. So now that it's packaged up, say I had 500 of these, I do this 500 times. Put them all inside of a box. Once they're in a box, I set up my shipment with Amazon. I send it to Amazon. When they receive it, I see my inventory pop up. When my inventory pops up, I'm ready to start selling and the product's live. Now I just sit back and wait for the sales to happen. Now I could speed up the process through advertising such as Amazon PPC, Amazon pay-per-click. So pay-per-click is where you advertise your product. It's right at the very top where it says sponsored listing. That's a great way to get your own personal branded products seen in front of customers that are currently buying the bigger branded products similar to yours. If you're selling something like this, which already exists on Amazon, this thing's already selling, you don't have to pay for advertising at all. One great thing you could also do is if you could find a distributor of these retail products, which you could usually find at the bottom of the box, you could reach out to them, tell them you're a wholesaler, say you want to buy these in bulk, and you'll get a new wholesale price, and they'll be your official supplier of these products. They do allow that. Then you just collect them and send them off to Amazon and make your money. When you run out of inventory, order some more. So you could either do the retail way of Amazon FBA, or you could do the custom branded product way. Both ways make money. This one's going to take a bigger investment because, of course, I had to make the product. This one also takes an investment because I have to buy the product, but it's a little less. So you decide which way you want to go. Amazon FBA is a great way for beginners to start selling online and get into the Amazon platform. Just make sure you know what's going on before you completely jump in because Amazon is a beast. If you mess up, you will get eaten. Just make sure you know how it works and you'll be fine. Again, my name is Arturo Knight. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Any questions you have, I'll be uploading videos every week on Amazon FBA, Amazon Dropshipping, Shopify Dropshipping, marketing, and motivation for you guys. Feel free to follow me on TikTok as well, Arturo Knight. Thank you.